The traditional 60-40 allocation to stocks and bonds appears to be a relic of the past and may no longer be enough to meet your client's long-term investment goals. In fact, the data shows that the 60-40 traditional portfolio of stocks and bonds return profile is diminishing over time. Just look back to 2008. With yields at all-time lows, some investors are viewing hedge funds as a fixed income replacement for their traditional portfolios and private equity as a return enhancement option. The new age 60-40 portfolio suggests an allocation of at least 40% to alternative investments for qualified investors. Over the last 25 years, Crystal Capital Partners has developed CrystalTools, our proprietary technology specially designed for alternative investing. Today, our tools help financial advisors just like you intelligently navigate their clients' alternative investment journey. Schedule a free portfolio assessment with one of our investment professionals who will use CrystalTools to quantify how institutional alternatives may enhance returns, reduce volatility, and provide diversification to your clients' traditional stocks and bonds portfolios.